Hey, what's going on, everybody? Hope you're having a beautiful day. It's Justin here again, and I just want to talk to you a little bit about how to not get distracted and how to not allow other people's success in life or wherever they are, if that's where you want to be or you see how they're living on social media, how not to let it affect you and take you off your path, and also how to allow it to not impact you negatively and how you can gain inspiration from that. So just gonna go outside. So here I am on my acreage, growing my beard back, just starting to come back. Just finished my chest and back day at the gym. It was a very good one. Hope you guys are having a beautiful day and exercising. But anyway, I'm just gonna take my animals for a walk here. Cat, dog. Yeah, so like on social media nowadays, it's just like everybody is like trained to be some actor or celebrity. So like literally, I even like did this a few years ago when I jumped on the online world about 5 years ago. I was like against it for so long. I was like, oh man, but I realized like this is a perfect way to connect with you guys and share inspiration and my ideas and to help you and to support our journeys of awakening and being a better badass individual. So online, especially with the algorithm, they updated it a couple years ago, and that's when I really started not liking social media, like Instagram and Facebook. So I've actually left those platforms because they're freaking useless. It's just about money and advertising and information privacy issues. So I don't see those actually lasting, to be honest. They just know way too much. But anyway, what is it, girl? Yeah, for social media, oh man, like everybody filters everything. They show you their perfect little life, and it's just like everyone is so editing everything. Even when I used to post, when I was starting to post my bodybuilding stuff, I kind of realized, like, as I was doing it, I was like, man, this is really kind of like weird, and I wasn't really doing it for the right reasons. I wanted to show my progress and show that you can change your physique naturally and all this, but it's like, man, it's like everyone's competing for that attention, and I didn't like that. I can't even hold my arm up right now, but I never liked that, and that wasn't really my message. Like, I love training, but that's not like my life purpose only. Like, I am going to achieve greatness in bodybuilding naturally for a long time, and I'm going to move into snowboarding and do all this stuff. But like the whole perception of this training world and what you can achieve naturally, and everybody lying on social media. There's a lot of people that are good and genuine on social media, but they changed the algorithm too. So now you only see seeing what the computer wants to show you. So like if you like one thing on one person's stuff, like that program is running and like keeping you there. So now you don't even see other guys' posts and other people that you want to follow. You know, it used to be like time. So the person that posts them recently, you'd see that post. Now it's like, as soon as you like one thing, it's just like, that's all you see. And so it's no good. It's like, let's obsess over these people or whatever. And that's okay. But anyway, I'm just going to go back. But, yeah, you know how you can I don't use social media now. I don't check what people are posting. I'll post and that's it. Maybe a couple of my mentors and stuff, but I don't even tune in with them, because that's how you take yourself off your own path. So you don't want to be taking yourself off your path and getting distracted. I call it distraction. If you're putting all those ideas in using those apps and using it for consuming those ideas and the information, it's taking you out of who you are and taking you out of what you already have. You don't need to look. Everyone's out looking for something on social media, and it's like that's why I love making videos, because if you really want to learn and really want to learn from me, let's do it right. And that's not I'm gonna show you my flexed arm and my nice physique, which is nice, don't get me wrong, and I'm proud of what I've built and I'm doing everything, but that's like fucked. Like when I go on social media, it's like all the top level physiques, the algorithm shows me like all the best of the world, and they're just in there and they're posting every day. They're just nuts. Like everyone's in a highly competitive space. And what's up, Blake? And they've changed the whole process. So like it can really take a mental toll on you, because like even if you even when I use it, the algorithm is showing me these mirrors of where I could be if I took the drugs. And where, like, these elite level bodybuilders and athletes that are juiced and geared right to the fucking teeth, and they claim natural, and they got all the attention, and you see what that causes people to do. And if they they look successful, it's like, oh, it causes young guys, young adults, even old adults to go and take all these fucking drugs, because they're like putting the impression that if I go take that, I can end up like that guy. And that's not true at all. Like these guys put 10 years of work or whatever, and they've worked up to that. But also it can really cause, I think that's why the depression and suicide rates are fucking high too, because everyone's so busy on social media. Like the best thing I ever did was I haven't done a post like almost a year. It's coming up in February, a year. Because I made a mission. I set out that what am I doing? Like I'm not doing anything good here. Like I'm just like putting shit into these apps and hoping to inspire people, and I'm just looking for attention. I'm just looking for the dopamine hit that you get when you post and everyone likes it. Oh, they like me. It's like really childish, and it's like, I'm not saying that you shouldn't post, like if you want to do social media, but it's best to stay off of social media so that you can truly stay in tune with who you are. Because if you're putting ideas in and you're scrolling and you're like this and you're highly addicted to it, and just so you know, like all the casinos and the developers of the apps, they made those programs to be very highly addictive so that you can't set your phone down, and you get like this ADD kind of like, oh, I gotta be on there, like everyone's zombies, and they're addicted to it because the programs that are built inside these apps that the elite fucking people of the world have put billions of dollars, well, millions of dollars into these apps so that you stay on their platform, because it's all about business. And now they have more information about everybody more than ever, so they know they're going to be trying to sell you on things that you think you need, which can be beneficial. You know, it's like, hey, I've been looking for that, and then it just pops up. You're like, nice, or whatever. But stay on your path. Don't scroll on social media. Don't watch other people's shit unless you truly respect that person and want to learn from that person. Then, of course, watch what that guy is creating, or what that chick is creating, or whatever. They really inspire you, and you know them even in real life. That's better, because then you know what you're getting. Because so many of my mentors that I've followed, never met them, and then they're just trying to make money. Like if you see through what they're doing, they're all doing everything to make money because they're online people. They build businesses online, so of course they're gonna persuade you, manipulate you. Like I'm not making these videos to make sales. I don't care, because like what I'm doing in my life, I'm good. Like I just want to do this so I can provide information and knowledge and awakening, and help you awaken and become the aesthetic version of yourself. And yeah, I'll be sharing all kinds of fitness tips, and in about March, I'm going to start some of my content again. I'm going to start back up and actually get bodybuilding content and some pictures and some videos, and explain how I do exercises and what you should be thinking about when you're doing these exercises. I'm going to involve those into my training program so that you can see this stuff video one-on-one, and I can talk to you one-on-one. So when you get my program, you're going to be reading a book, but you're not just going to get a book. You're going to get a resource of training exercises and how I do everything, and what I'm doing, and everything that I've learned over the last 8 years or 10 years really of bodybuilding. Like I started when I was 19, so it's actually 13 years, but I didn't stay consistent. I had injuries, you get it. But that's where I'm going to be able to share all that nutrition advice and all this advice so that you can create a great physique, a healthy body, a healthy mind, and also I can help you with business because I have an entrepreneurial mindset. I've had this for years. I've had it since, heck, when I dropped out of school. I was like, I want to go be my own boss. I don't like what you're telling me, you retards. Because they were just trying to put me in a box. But anyway, and that's exactly what they did, the system. So you get me started. I'll be making videos on that. But anyway, guys, I'm going to let you go with that. Focus on your own life. And also, what I wanted to say, just came to me, was about how when you see people doing that, maybe that get to the level that you want to be, or that you wish you had, whether if it's this acreage, you're like, damn, I really wish I could be on that acreage and live in that life. Well, you can. Don't allow the jealousy and that bastard, it's this, it's that, it's this. Oh, he can do that. He's lucky, is this and that. There's all these excuses. Look at him like, what can I learn from that guy? And not only that, I'm going to get that too. I want that. And I can attain that as well with time. And you believe in yourself and you take action on what you're doing every day to get to that goal. So if you want a physique, take action each and every day throughout the week. And then time goes on. And next thing you know, you built that physique or you got that acreage. And it's because, and when you see people doing what you want, you encourage them, comment on social media. If you're on social media, talk to those people, be like, you're awesome, man. And what you're doing is so badass. And I want that, whatever. I want that for myself one day. But that's how you attract it. But if you get jealous and negative and you're like, fuck that guy, and you close it and you're like, I'll never follow that guy again because he's lucky. He's smarter than me. He's got what I don't. You get it? Because if you knew where I came from and my upbringing and everything that I'm doing, even in bodybuilding, I'll tell you, I was that guy too. Saying, oh man, I'm fucking done. Like I was nothing. And as time goes on, and I never gave up. Don't give up and just keep working at it, improving your knowledge, improving your skills in business and training and everything that you're doing, and you will attain your dream, hands down. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Appreciate the support. Hope this video helped you and found you well. Peace out. Cheers.